'Tis the season of chilly weather and cold noses and fingertips. And let's not forget Black Friday. At the end of the video, I am sharing some Pottery Barn Black Friday deals and then also taking you shopping at Hobby Lobby for some dupes. Now back to the chilly weather, and nothing battles the chill like a nice cup of hot cocoa. Some of my fondest childhood memories revolve around spending time with my family at my grandparents' farm in Idaho. The holidays were the best, especially when Jack Frost gifted us with tons of snow. The cherry on top was when my uncles procured some snowmobiles and large inner tubes for sledding. Back at the farm, we would peel off the many layers of snow gear and would be greeted with a steaming cup of hot cocoa. I feel euphoric just thinking about it. Hot cocoa feels like a warm hug from the inside. And who doesn't love decorating for Christmas? Add the abundance of sweets to the mix and you have the recipe for a whimsical holiday vignette. You can set up a hot cocoa vignette in any number of places in your home. Ideal places include the kitchen island with a serving tray paired with a tiered holiday platter. A china buffet is also perfect for displaying a collection of Christmas mugs, holiday china, along with other fun collectibles. The mudroom is also a great place to set up your hot cocoa station, especially if you have friends and family over for some outdoor fun. Simply prepare some hot chocolate in your slow cooker and set out coffee mugs and other toppings. Now, if you're feeling ambitious, you can turn an old TV cabinet into a coffee/hot cocoa bar. I have links to a couple of tutorials in the description. Now, if you are enjoying the video so far, I would truly love your support and subscribe to my channel. Toppings, toppings, toppings. The options for your hot cocoa toppings are simply endless. Here are a few suggestions. Marshmallows, cinnamon sticks, holiday peppermint M&Ms, red hots, white chocolate chips, crushed peppermints, and whipped cream. Here's a fun tip. Use your holiday salt and pepper shakers for cinnamon and nutmeg. A gingerbread village is a sweet alternative to your regular holiday village. Pottery Barn has a sweet collection that can be used in your hot cocoa bar. My favorite pieces are the snowflake dessert plates, and they are just the perfect touch, and you can use them to put your holiday cookies on. Your hot cocoa bar is also the perfect place for a holiday-themed charcuterie board to hold all of your holiday treats. Start by picking a color palette. For Christmas, it's a no-brainer. Red and green and white are perfect. Place the smaller candies in a bowls or ramekins around the board. Arrange larger candy in uniform patterns around the board. For example, gingerbread man and cookies along the edge of the board. I love the colored Oreos on the side to get some extra red color. And fill in any gaps with small or medium-sized candy, like small candy cane bites or gummies. And I've also included a link for some step-by-step tutorials on how to do a charcuterie board in the description. A hot cocoa station setup is the ideal spot to have some pre-wrapped gifts for the unexpected visitor that brings you a holiday surprise. Thank you for watching and happy holidays. And don't forget to keep watching so that you can see all the goodies at Hobby Lobby.